If your Shark cordless vacuum keeps on flashing up with the E6 error, then this means there's a blockage. This video is going to go through explaining the most obvious places to look for a blockage, and then for those of you that can't find one, places you'd not probably thought about. We're going to start by looking at the floor tool. Remove it from the main pipe by pressing this clip and pulling. Then turn it on its back, and there's these 3 screws that we need to unlock with a coin. Once these are turned, you can then pull the base off, and you'll often find that there's a blockage inside this part here, or inside the pipe that leads to it. You can check this by looking down here, and we need to make sure that nothing's blocking our vision to the bottom. Likewise with the wand, if you just remove this from the main vacuum cleaner with this clip, and then just look down it to see if there's any blockages. If you do find one, I use bamboo canes from the garden just to poke down and remove blockages, but this hose here is quite common for getting blocked. You can actually access this by pressing this button here, folding your wand over, and then pressing these 2 clips at the side. And then you can simply pull out any blockages. To replace the hose, you just press it back into position and it'll just click in. And then to straighten your wand out again, you need to press the unlock button again and straighten it out, and then that just clicks into position. Now if yours is flashing up E6 without all the wand on it, then we need to look at the actual vacuum itself. Firstly, we're going to remove the bin by pressing this button, and then we need to look down this part. We're just seeing if there's any blockages in this section here. Probably the most common cause for the E6 fault is the filters. If these are dirty, these create a barrier or a blockage in front of the motor and it throws up the fault. If you need to know how to clean these, please see my video in the description. Now here's one you'd never think about. My customer actually brought these brand new filters from Amazon, and since putting them in, that's when she started getting the E6 message. The foam was far too dense, and she actually cured the problem by removing the new filters. Another place to look is under the filters. In the bin, there's a little cone bit inside. If we pop the bin open with this button here, you'll get better access to it. If this is clogged, you can clean it with a dry toothbrush. If this is blocked, it would bring up the E6 error. Hopefully now you've found a blockage on your vacuum cleaner. To test it, put it on and then turn it up to full power, and this is when it's most likely to come up with the message. If it doesn't, your vacuum cleaner is fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more Shark help videos. This next one is the one I mentioned earlier, showing you how to clean the filters on your cordless Shark.